In this video, I am sharing how to use the Power Plan checklist. What is it? Why do I want it? How's it going to help me? All of that right now. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. So first of all, to get your free Power Plan checklist, simply go to theplannerchannel.com, put in your name and your email address, and the first email you'll get from the Planner channel is the Power Plan checklist. It'll just be a little note with a big pink button that looks like that, and you just click to download your checklist. You can print it out if you want, or you can use it online and use separate paper to write what you need to write, or just write in your planner. So let me explain. The Power Plan system is the system that I created to help me get my planning super organized. And I have it split up into two sections. Power actually represents decorative planning, and Plan represents functional planning. So here's Power, P-O-W-E-R, each letter for the acronym. Planners and pens, okay. All you really need to plan is a planner and a pen. But that just helps you to get organized. So first you need your planner or planners, and you need your pens. And that's all you need. And really, that's all I'm using now that I have kind of my Franken planner set up and my pen case. This is what I have. I'm ready to go. Now all the stuff inside of it, that's in the next section. Organization and tools. Organization can be all of your inserts and extras, all the extra things that you put in. Tools would be my favorite tools, like these things. These four are probably my favorite tools. And then my favorite extra is a dashboard or bookmark. So I got my dashboards, some extra paper, and my tools. All right, I'm ready to go. Next, I need washi tape and embellishments. Any washi tape, simply because it is such a useful and fun thing. You don't need 10 bazillion of washi tape. I know they're addictive. It's hard not to buy them all. Next, embellishments. Embellishments can be stickers, sticky notes, or anything else that you want to decorate your planner with. It could be stamps or paint, markers, pencils. It could be all kinds of things. Then, once you got all the stuff, this has been one of the biggest things to help me with my planning, and it's the way that I decorate every week in my Plan With Me videos. I have a routine. It helps me to be creative. I love it. You do not have to use this routine, but if you don't have one now, you might want to start with this one and then adjust for how you like to decorate and how you like to plan. My routine is to choose a theme, and my theme is usually based on a couple of sticker books or a color or a season, something like that. I pick a theme, then I try to narrow it down. So I have, let's say it's, okay, so like recently Valentine's. So Valentine's theme, and then colors. Are we doing just pink? Are we doing red? Are we doing red and pink? You know, narrow it down. So you have a theme, you choose some colors, done, got a theme. Then I decorate with washi tape first, then box stickers, then checklists and bullet points, then all the decorative stickers. Then I do my planning after that. So that's it. That is Power, P-O-W-E-R, for decorative planning. Next, functional planning. This is the serious part. This is the important part. This is the Power Plan, the plan part, P-L-A-N-S for system. First, priorities. And if you don't do anything else, this is the most important piece. This is how you choose to use your time, and to use your time on the things that are most important to you. So this is where you might want to take out a separate piece of paper. I like to use these like priority checklist pages because it's already laid out exactly how I need it to be for this worksheet. The categories are that I like to use are self, family and friends, household or home, financial, goal, and other. And here's each of the categories. And you just write down each category and then write down what time, big chunk time activities are important to you under each of the categories. So this is my personal list right here. I'll show you very quickly. Some of the things in my self-care category are working out, meditating, yoga, gratitude, journaling, me time, getting my nails done, salon. So all of those are like my self category. Then the family category, we have school events, family time, date night. That's probably all my family things. Household is going to be like groceries, cleaning, dishes, laundry. I think there was another one. Oh, shopping, and all of that goes in household. Financial, work events, paying bills. Goal for me right now is the planner channel. So working on that goes in this category. So it has its own planner and will have all of its tasks separately. Studying goes along with that too. So just some study time. That's all part of my goal. So whatever your goal is, you would put there. And then other, doctor appointments should have gone up here somewhere. I just forgot that one. Did I get everything else? Yeah, that's it. So other would be if you have another big project in your life, like you're going to college, or if you're working and going to college, then it's definitely a whole separate category. If you're planning a big event like buying a home or you're getting married, that's going to need its own planner. So it needs its own category. Anyway, that's a quick walk through this part, priorities. Next, once you have your list, you take another sheet, like one of these half sheet papers, and then based on the current week, you go through this list and write down your tasks. This week I have a school event. This week I have a salon appointment. This week I need to get groceries. This week I have a work event. I need to work out 3 times, and I need to study once, and I'm going to work on the planner channel every day, or whatever your thing is. So then you have this list based on this week under your priorities. So then you get your list for this week, and then you take that list and you assign each task to your planner. So these are your tasks. Assign them each to your planner on a day. It's the best to put them on a day, because if you don't put them on a day, it's not an assignment. Then it's someday, and this someday list is not on the calendar. Put it on your calendar. Choose a day that you're going to do each thing. Next, notes. Every day, preferably every day if you can, write your progress. Note your progress in your planner. You need to track. Whatever you track and pay attention to will increase. It will improve. It will be awesome, I promise. If you haven't done it consistently and you try it out, it is amazing. So note your progress. Next, system. Decide when you're planning. When are you doing each of these things? Then the last piece, asterisk, create a goal project strategy worksheet. I highly recommend you work on one goal at a time. Get out a piece of paper and create a strategy to get your goal. Now, we go over in detail every one of these sections inside Planning 101 inside the Planner School. So if you want to learn this whole system in detail, check out the class on the Planner School, Planning 101, the Power Plan System. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about the Power Plan checklist, how to get it, what the class is about, if the class is right for you, all that kind of stuff. Just leave me a little comment and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to the Planner channel to watch weekly videos about decorative and functional creative planning. You can get your free Power Plan checklist by clicking the link in the description box. And if you'd like to learn more, check out the Planner School. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.